let's create. Salmon, and this is farm raised, by the way, farm raised, which is very good too. And I'm going to show you how to make it with honey glaze, with a nice touch of honey glaze. Make it delicious. I know a lot of people don't like salmon for some reason, but the omega in this baby for the good fat is incredibly nutritious. So the first thing I did, I just got the fat from the back. And the reason I did this, you don't really have to, is because I'm going to cut it in pieces and I'm going to use them as part of a base for some of my peas that I prepared from the other day. I softened them, I should say, because they were grain. And I'm going to make a side dish with these babies. That's why I cut it like that. So what you're going to do here is very simply, you're going to put some sea salt. I like to be a little bit generous. So this is going to go to the oven. I like to put a little bit of garlic powder, just a tiny bit. And I want to use some dry oregano, just a tiny bit. And the reason of doing that is to put that touch of nice flavors and aromas and whatever. Oven friendly cast iron. Going to put some aluminum foil here. Oven preheating 370 degrees Fahrenheit. This honey glaze, I have some lemon here, by the way. I'm going to squeeze it. And I have some honey. This one from South Carolina that my daughter got me when she visited my son in South Carolina. So what I'm going to do, going to pass some of this honey here. And I'm creating a glaze. That's what I'm doing, I'm creating a glaze, okay? Some lemon. Some lemon juice. Forget about the pits, they got there, don't worry. And some honey. And put more. That's how you do your glaze for this one. For this particular recipe. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to put that nice lemon honey glaze. Lemon honey glaze. And this baby's going back in, okay? Oh, I'm going to put a lot. Let me put a lot. There it is. And now we're going to put it back in. Let it go for about 10, maybe 15 minutes, okay? So it took about 35 minutes. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this size. See, it's cooked. It's going to look flaky too.